The National Human Rights Commission has launched its 2025 State of Human Rights Report in the Gambia, highlighting key gains in the protection of rights while warning that persistent challenges continue to threaten justice and accountability in the Gambia. Usman Jatta reports.
Each year, the National Human Rights Commission assesses the state of rights protection and identifies areas requiring further action. At this press briefing, the Commission also launched its annual activities report highlighting its interventions, achievements and recommendations from the past year. Emmanuel Daniel Juve, chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, said the report formed part of the institution's constitutional mandate to monitor the human rights situation and uphold duty bearers accountable.
We did receive over 60 complaints. We were able to resolve half of them through investigation, mediation and recommendation. We conducted prison and police station monitoring. We continue to monitor implementation of the Nhrc recommendation. The current human rights issues and concerns of the Nhrc, although we would say that there has been some notable progress, there are some positive developments. For example, the review and having a new Criminal Offences Act 2025, the Criminal Procedure Act of 2025, the establishment of a Reparation Commission, I think it's progress as well. We did have the Anti-Corruption Act. There has been, despite some challenges, there has been increase in civic space.
Principal Legal Officer Ida Jatta provided further details on the country's human rights situation.
Concerns arise from the various murder cases that were reported in 2025, and the Commission also noted in the report the incident of excessive use of force by police officers, which resulted in the murder of Omar Baji. For cases of torture, inhumane and degrading treatment, the Commission received 11, and from against security institutions. This signals a rise of 7 cases that were received in 2024.
Despite these gains, the Commission's chairperson says serious concerns remain.
We've also been concerned about the police use of force and heavy-handedness, the need for proportionality, the need for accountability, and respect for due process. These are issues of concern. FGM remains illegal in this country, yet it continues. Violence against women, rape and sexual assault remains a concern. Children's rights, protection of children, again, this is an area, this is a vulnerable group we need to improve. We have observed, and it has been on the papers, especially the living conditions and the abuse and exploitation of children, and also, especially, children in some madrasas and the Quranic schools. The issue of child marriage is still an issue, although it is illegal. Area of persons with disability, again, you all know that we've had an act since 2021, a very brilliant, comprehensive, nice act. But acceleration of the implementation of the act needs to be pushed. And the Nhrc have been at the forefront trying to push and working closely with the Ministry of Gender, Women and Social Welfare to make sure that this act is fully the implementation should be done through a fully funded national implementation plan.
The Commission says that protecting human rights requires collective action. It is calling on the government, the National Assembly, security institutions, civil society, the media and citizens to work together to strengthen accountability, uphold the rule of law and ensure that every Gambian enjoys the rights guaranteed under the Constitution. Usman Jatta, QTV News.